Hello, good evening. Celtic Silver here. I'll give you a demonstration of other interests that I have, and one of them being ham radio. Demonstration of a Morse code decoder, CW to other people. I'll explain as we go along. As you will observe, if you can hear me okay, some of it will be in abbreviations. Many of you will be familiar with the abbreviations you use in text messaging. In fact, we have established you go. This is on the 80-meter band, which is 3.5 megs or 3.5 megahertz. Sometimes appears I think he means to say the QSO, so you have, as you know, with text messaging, instead of the full word R, A-R-E, they use the letter R. Instead of the word U, Y-O-U, they use the letter U. Some of it's plain language. Instead of the word very, V-E-R-Y, it's V-Y. As you can appreciate, this is ham radio. Deploy as usual and interesting. ES is an abbreviation for and, A-N-D. Instead of the complete word enough, just enough. I am waiting to get his hex beam. That's a form of antenna or aerial. And looks like the end of the week to get it installed, I think. Looks like he's had an antenna he's been using for 37 years. Very good. They can regularly come down with strong winds. Lots of E's mean he's made a mistake and wants to repeat himself. Yeah, he's SRE is sorry. ABT is about. Oh, he's on about his health now. The damp plays havoc with his joints. There's their call signs. Replying to him. I'll just turn off the transceiver now. Basically it's a laptop, as you can see, I'm sure. The actual HF equipment, this is somewhat old now, but it's a Trio. The ATU, and you're seeing this quite well, the light in here isn't very good, and the necessary interface, and obviously the laptop has been loaded with the necessary software. The setup here is also, you can transmit, it'll obviously convert your keystrokes to Morse code, which is then puts the transmitter into transmit automatically. Whatever keystroke you make, it'll send that particular character. And appreciate any comments. I know possibly the quality of my video is not brilliant, but it gives you a good idea. It's good fun. There are headaches with anything is setting up with the computer. You've got to configure the COM ports for the put the receiver into receive and the transmit into transmit, and the way you go. Anyway, we'll leave it at that. Take care, everyone, and enjoy your radio.